Yo! No Rubbish Tree Man, we are back with our Stihl 201 project. She's still a little bit dirty. We're going to strip her right the way down this time, get some more of that VarioClean on it, because we really need to sort out this bogging issue. Got a brand new chain, brand new bar. We've got a new clutch cover, inner clutch cover piece, which will prevent a load of debris going into the mechanics. We've got a new fuel filter, we've got a new spark plug, so we have all the pieces of the puzzle to sort this out. First things first, let's strip it back down. So what did I actually do? Most people would stick a bit of cord in here, a bit of pull cord or accessory cord or something like that to stop the cylinder moving, which means that you can get a spanner on your clutch to get that off. For whatever reason, I see people jamming this in the clutch and risking breaking. Just use a spanner. Other side. Same as flywheel. Once you got the bolt off, leave it on there just a little bit. 2 hammers, back to back. Give the first one a tap, and yeah, that should free up your flywheel, and we are ready to clean this side. Not going completely crazy and getting all this off, because frankly I can't figure out how to do it. So the main unit's as clean as it's going to get. Now I've just got to deal with all this. So we've come this far. The heat shield on the bottom, that needs replacing, and I haven't got a replacement part for it. Plus, this literally fell out. I don't even know what that is. I don't know if it's supposed to be in there. This was a second-hand bargain, remember. So I'm thinking we get a piece of aluminium, we cut a new cover for the heat shield, I'll show you, and then to replace this, which I imagine is just a bit of a heat shield for the rear of the case, but I'm not sure. So this could be a pointless exercise, but I think it should be fun. Let's go. tidy, she's rebuilt, she's back up, ready to go. So yeah, let's start her up. Oh dear, flywheel's come loose. So that's worse than we thought. The drive pin that turns the engine over when you pull the ripcord has sheared off, snapped off. So back to ordering some more replacement parts, and I'll see you guys in part 3.